Today represents a very special and significant day for us at SeaWorld Orlando, as the first piece of coaster track for Mako leaves the production facility in Ohio and makes the nearly 1,000-mile journey from Ohio right here to SeaWorld Orlando. The delivery of this track is the first phase of creating Mako, Orlando's tallest, longest, and fastest roller coaster. Each piece of track weighs between 10 and 15,000 pounds. In total, we will have over 1,400 tons of steel for this roller coaster.